So when I take a look at the my efforts and the connections I've made from the self-similarity principle, there's been a lot of people that I've been able to connect with closely because we have similar majors. So I'm an econ major as well as a Spanish studies major. So I've been able to find that I have things in common with a lot of other econ majors, and we can talk about classes we've taken. The proximity principle, I I get to know the people around me, but I can do a better job at it. I'm staying in an Airbnb, so I can do a better job of, learning about those who are around me that maybe I don't have anything in common with. Although you can still find some similarities. I think the similarity principle has some benefits because it's easier to make like that aha connection, but you don't you don't like get outside of your comfort zone, right? Like at least for me, I'm talking about econ, which is, what I study, so it's easy to talk about. Whereas proximity, it might be harder things to talk about, but you learn new things from it. As far as high stakes activity, one of the things that I decided to sign up for early on was actually a rock climbing gym. So I've been going rock climbing 2 or 3 days a week, and I meet tons of people from different part of the world. Last time I went, I met a guy from Germany. I've met people from Canada, France. Um, so that's been neat to see. Like we get to work together and like push each other and like help each other, as well as learn about differences from growing up, while still sharing the same similarity. One of the things that my internship coordinator suggested to me before I left was to take advantage of traveling, being in Europe and in Spain. And I've actually met like a few great people already just staying at I stayed at a hostel in London and met, a few people that were just doing similar things like there for a couple nights. So traveling and trying to get to know people is one of the suggestions that I've used and hope to continue to use.